It's been a long, dark night.
Hi, I'm Margaret, and we're at Juniper Well Ranch, and I would like to share my goodness message today with you. And I think that at the top of my list would be something that I wanted to share is the knowing that we are all the architects of our experience, and that truly only we, uniquely and individually, can know what is in our best interests and how it feels to be aligned with our purpose. And I think that we all hold a space for each other to better understand the opportunity we have being alive in this world. And the information that has been conveyed to me my life, telling me what I should be or how I should be, or in other ways informing my process, although very useful in some ways, really didn't get me closer to being who I am or being happy. And realizing that it's my responsibility to find out who I am and to dedicate the time and the energy and the effort to pursuing my own ability to thrive and my own knowing of who I am. And sometimes looking at others to see what's reflected back, using others' unique perspectives to know more about what this world looks like to them. I think in so many ways, the collaborative that we can hold for each other, it's so unique and fascinating, and it could be so useful. All of our interactions with each other could be endlessly and limitlessly useful. And I've spent more than enough time living in a world where much of the interactions I've had have left me more confused and disoriented. So I'm excited to hopefully contribute from that place, the uniqueness of who I am. And in doing so, I hope to bring more of who I am into this world and know that it matters and not get caught up in other people's perception of what that should be. And in doing so, notice for other people the truth of who they are and how they are, and witness from a place of honoring and respect, because it is a bold statement to be alive at this time in any way that we are. And we're all working so hard to do the best that we can. And I'm really grateful to be here.
The sun is rising up over the mountain.
Hi, I'm John, and my goodness message is that you can find beauty in just about anything. All you have to do is look for it.
The sun is rising up over the mountain.
Oh, be goofy. There's my message. Always be goofy. Cheer yourself up. Oh dear.
Alright, we're here with Bliss Planet at the celebration area at Juniper Ranch here in northern Prescott, and as you can see, we've got a great fire pit and drum circle, instruments, ditch, and herb garden to my left, as well as some community meal seating and some lodging. Looks like they're getting ready for some more festivities here later this afternoon. Hopefully you guys can check out more of this space later.
See, Edgar, would you like to join in on this goodness message? Goodness is all the life flowering around us.
We're here at Juniper Ranch in one of their teepees, wonderful healing space full of crystals and other ornamentation. Looks like quite an altar here. Great place for meditation, relaxation, healing, and community.
My message is, in all our doings and our productivity, we need to just remember to be and know that we are love.
Here we have another luxurious teepee equipped with a full-size bed for sleeping and napping and maybe even romantic nights, who knows.
Just breathe. Start with the breath, create space, and the rest will follow.
Hey, my name is Sam, and my message, there's lots of messages that I could think about, but the one that I always come to is meet everyone from where they are. Meet everyone from exactly where they are. Not where they should be, not where they could be, not where you think that they ought to be, or even where they think they ought to be, just from exactly where they are, and really listening to what they're saying, how they're saying it, which are all indicators of, where they are mentally, physically in the world, financially, just, all the adverbs. And, where are they? For instance, I taught drum lines at high schools for many years, and so you have every single kid attempting to do the same thing, but the trick is you got to meet each kid from exactly where they are. Maybe this kid's never even held sticks before. Maybe this kid is a better player than I am. So, but then you have to put them together. So you got to meet each person from where they are, and then have them do things that are appropriate to where they are. And now that always comes to mind in any given situation, really, when it comes to communicating with another person, a group of people, which is really kind of boiling down what the human experience is all about, is making connections with each other. And, even things, meeting this land from where it is. Like, before any of this was here, there was, just the wilderness, and so you can't just come here and then instantly start farming. You gotta meet it from where it is and prepare it and do things to it, just like you would any person. So it's pretty universal. Meet everyone and everything from exactly where it is, and that's been a good approach for me.
Stop, breathe, feel, allow.
All right, enjoying some of the digital permaculture done by David Avatar here at Juniper Ranch. It's an amazing structure. They take this down and build it up all over the place as they travel around to different events.
Listen to others and listen to yourself.
Word.
Yeah. So listen to what others have to say, and then listen to what you understand of what they say, what you don't understand of what they say, and ask questions. Figure it out. See if they gave you enough information that you can then use those as initial conditions to project forward, and then check. Ask them more questions. And yeah.
Says
Everybody
the professor.
shares information and asks and listens and checks. We'll be able to ensure that the information being propagated forward is consistent.
That they know that you know what they've said.
Well, it's like
And vice
sending a
versa.
smoke signal, right? So I can send a smoke signal to you. How do I know when you got it? You'll send a smoke signal back. How do you know that I've received it? I have to send another smoke signal. And so how do you close that loop of infinities?
Hey, I'm Molly. I want to share my message for you to share all that you can with others, all that you know is true, and know that everything is gonna be okay because the universe has got your back and all is infinite.
Hi, my name is Nicholas A. Hope, and my goodness message for you and everyone is to speak from your heart and your mind will follow.
It's been a long, dark night, but I know it's about to end. The sun is rising up over the mountains. It's been a long dark night, but I know it's about to end. The sun is rising up over the mountain.
This is Manzanita Manor, a more rustic cabin style of lodging. They've got a nice patio, some upstairs, a great water resource, pond for listening, relaxing, doing your Tai Chi, all sorts of amenities here. As you can see, there's ample seating for looking out onto the beautiful countryside of Juniper Well Ranch here.
Everyone home now, purify my water, the rivers on my soul. Please resist those plastic bottles, I will not be sold. I planted all my seeds, they're trembling in the ground. They feel my bare feet pounding, shaking, dancing all around. They're ready to open their eyes and climb up through some dark soil. They're ready to meet the light as the dawn is in our sight. It's been a long dark night, but I know it's about to end. The sun is rising up over the mountains. It's been a long dark night, but I know it's about to end. The sun is rising up over the mountains. Listen to the water and listen to your neighbors. Listen to your body and listen to the children. Listen to your garden and listen to the prisons. Listen to the elders and listen to the margins. Listen to the houseless and listen to the artists. Listen to the history, yeah, listen to your community, yeah. It's been a long dark night, but I know it's about to end. The sun is rising up over the mountains.
Wrigley, you gotta share your message.